Welcome to Studying Social Inequality with Data Science. This undergraduate course is close to my heart because it's really close to the work that I do all the time. I love working with data to help answer questions about inequality and understand why it happens and what we might be able to do about it. This course is laid out on a website, which will guide you through the material, whether you're a student in the class or you're just someone online following along. So let me orient you a little bit. Here we're on the home page, and you can see some of the topics that we'll cover in the course. After going over a little bit of the big ideas, we'll then talk about how data are generated. This topic is going to be covered in a few lectures. We have some exercises working with data using the statistical software R, which we'll access through the user interface RStudio. We'll then dig into some specific topics on describing inequality. In particular, we're planning to talk about race, gender, and class inequality. We'll then take a little digression to talk about asking questions. An important goal of this course is that students walk away with the ability to ask social science research questions about inequality and answer those questions with quantitative empirical evidence. We'll talk about some data sources that you could use to answer quantitative questions about inequality. You'll practice using those data sources in problem sets along the way and in group activities during discussion section. At the end of the course, you'll work for several weeks on a final project. This is a project where you design your own question. You'll go find the data, you'll analyze it, and produce one or more visualizations that tell a story with the data. At the end of the course, I really look forward to reading these and also seeing your presentations to your classmates in class. During the time that you're working on this final project, in lecture we'll be talking about some recent advances to try to reduce inequality. That's generally the structure of the course. Up here at the top, you can see the syllabus with all the details. You can read a little bit about the teaching team, see when things are due and when we have office hours. And if you're enrolled in the course, you can click this link to get to Ed Discussion, where you can always ask us questions online. We look forward to having you in this class.